Wow! Can you believe it's graduation tomorrow? It went by so fast.
Yeah, it feels like yesterday we were just coloring.
By the way, Luke, aren't you transferring schools?
Yes, I'm going to PSU Bayambang. How about you? Aren't you transferring?
I am, but I'm not sure which school I want to enroll in yet.
How about you, Claire? Hey! Hey!
Are you okay? What's wrong? Sorry, I was just thinking about my entrance exam for PSU. I'm overthinking. What if I don't get it? I'm nervous.
Come on! You will pass. Don't be so negative.
Yeah, you're so smart. You're the class valedictorian.
Let's go! Practice is about to start.
Let's go.
Oh, hey ma'am. Did you call?
I'm sorry, hon. I to your graduation, but your dad will be there with you.
It's okay, ma'am. I understand.
Thank you, honey. By the way, congratulations. What gift did you want?
Don't worry about it, ma'am. As long as you're okay, I'm already happy.
Ah, you're so sweet. You're making me cry.
My heartfelt congratulations to all the graduates for reaching another milestone in your lives. Many have asked you, how's your school? And some of you always answer,
I've made a lot of friends. I discovered new things and passions. I gained a lot of memories that I will always treasure. And I was so genuinely happy. But I know that behind all the happiness, achievements, and compliments, there are also ups and downs that exist. Every medal has a story. Every certificate represents your hard work, and every honor is etched in your name. All eyes are on you, and there are many expectations that you need to fulfill. People thought that everything was easy for us. They thought we had no problems, but what they don't know is it's hard. It's hard to study. It's hard to be a student. Most of the time, we're doubting our abilities. We thought we can't do it, but we can. Grades aren't the sole measure of intelligence, because we all have our own unique talents and abilities in different areas. Despite the struggles, doubts, and nervousness, you were able to overcome them and are here today, about to walk across the stage. Everything you've been through is a story that shapes who you are.
everyone had their own challenges that they needed to overcome. Again, congratulations to all of you. Cheers and applause to you all. Thank you.
It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold.